Hi, Julie and the rest of the marketing team at Centi Mark. My name is Jessica, and I just want to go over a couple things about your website so I can help you guys optimize it a bit more and beat some of your competitors locally. So one thing I did notice is that you guys have a really well laid out website, which is great. You guys have a good amount of content on the home page, which is also good. One thing to keep in mind is that you do want about 1,500 words on that home page alone. And now you don't want to just put any words in here, you want to have keywords. And so one tool that we use is called Ahrefs, and this is a paid tool that we use. And I did notice that you guys have about 6.2 thousand keywords between your website and all of your backlinks. And so one thing to keep in mind is you guys don't have a lot of local keywords. A lot of yours are just pertaining to the roofs. So if you add in more local things like the commercial roofing contractors Portland, Oregon, there's also a lot more out there, but these are ones that you're already ranking for. And while they do have a high volume, you'll notice that one of your competitors over here, they have less organic keywords than you guys, but they have more local ones like Portland roofers. This one for 3,500 is a 3,500 volume is a really good one to be ranking for, as well as some of these 200 ones with Portland roof and Portland roofer. You'll notice right here the KDs, the keyword difficulty, these are a little bit high, but with roofing, it's still, we see a lot of high ones, so these aren't too out of the question for these numbers. Obviously, you want them as far down to 0 as you can get, which would help you guys to rank better. But adding these more local keywords in here is going to help your site a lot more locally. Another thing that we can look at over here is some of your backlinks. You'll notice that you guys have a lot of backlinks and not a lot of referring domains. You also have your power and trust here, and you want this ratio to be closer to a 1-to-1 ratio. So one thing that you can do is disavow some of these backlinks, especially some of the spammy ones or the ones that aren't allowing a do follow link, and that'll help to get these more 1-to-1 and also raise them both higher as well. And that'll help you guys to be able to compete locally, which will be great. Another thing we can talk about real quick is the map pack. So if you just put in Oregon roofers into Google, you'll see that you get a bunch of paid ads at the top, and so most people just kind of scroll past these and don't even look at it. So the next thing that pops up is going to be the map pack. And so one of the things that you can do to get into the map pack, especially at the top, is adding citations and pictures to your GMB, as well as a few other optimization tasks to it. And so if that's something that you guys are interested in learning more about and seeing how we can help you add those citations as well as those backlinks and those keywords and such, we would love to be able to talk with you guys more about it and see what we can do to help you guys outrank your competitors locally. So please don't hesitate to reach out at 480-387-8000. We can also just respond to this email too, and we'd love to open up that conversation with you.